Sabadi. Hi everyone. Well, today I'm gonna make something very easy and simple, you know, when you get off from work late. So basically I just stopped by the grocery next to my work and I grabbed me some easy food. Of course, you know this is noodle and one bag of shrimp and mussel, right? And then all the little vegetable here and egg, and just boil the hot water. Just something easy, you know, it's really good for dinner. So okay, what I'm gonna do first, let me go here, add the noodle in, and the mussel is already cooked basically. I'll go ahead and throw the noodle in there. Like my movie night tonight, so I don't want to spend all the time in the kitchen, so that's what I have to make for myself. Oh, I make a mess. When I eat noodle, I eat a lot, guys. Smells so good. Then I go ahead and crack my egg in. I'll go ahead and put the whole bag of my shrimp. Now I go ahead and put the carrot in. And of course I love pepper, guys. Love pepper. Put a lot of pepper and broccoli. Okay, see, I kind of like, you know, push it down a little bit, make sure my vegetable cook, everything else cook good. But this one is already been cooked, okay? Wow, look at that. And I'm gonna sprinkle it down with my magic sprinkle. This is my garlic. I will make that recipe for you guys too. I make that myself. Then I go ahead and put this seaweed in. Okay. Love this stuff. They say anything green is good for you, so I kind of like try to put green much as I can. Okay, it's done. See, that's a fast dinner. Wow, look at that. Oh my, it's good. And then I like it, put my lime on top because it's seafood. Anything with seafood, you want to put lemon and lime, okay? And see, that is very easy, right? This is going to be my dinner tonight, guys. I know it's a little hot right now, but oh, wow. Less than 10 minutes for this dinner. Can't go wrong on that one. Woo! So hot. So good. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video, okay? Bye. See you next video. Bye bye.